Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm Sophia, and today we're going to be making some fun slime. The ingredients you'll be using are some Elmer's glue, contacts in solution, shaving cream, and baking soda and food coloring. And the things that you'll be using are a measuring cup, a spoon, a bowl, and teaspoons. So first we're going to start with Elmer's glue. And you'll be needing 1 cup of Elmer's glue. So now we're going to pour it in. You might need your spoon for this to scoop some glue out. Now we're going to use shaving cream, 1 cup again. Not watery. Oh my gosh, that was cool.
It really doesn't have to be exact, right guys?
Yeah. It could be as much as you want, because the more, the fluffier. Shaving cream looks like a cloud. So now we're going to mix it. And then after you mix it and it looks kind of creamy, you're gonna get food coloring. I chose blue. I'm gonna do light blue. So 1, 2, 3. You usually need 5, but if you want it really light, you could do 3. That's what it looks like so far. Okay, so you have to use 1/4 teaspoon and scoop it and put it in. 2 drops.
2 of them?
Yeah.
Oh. So 1/4 plus 1/4.
2/4.
Would be 1/2 of a teaspoon.
Oh. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Contacts and solution. You could add as much as you want until it is like slime, because this is the magic of slime. I like doing a swirly swirl and then a smiley face. It's okay if it gets in your eyes because you use them for contacts and it soaks the contacts in. So it's good. And I'm gonna make it not sticky anymore.
How are we going to do that?
Play with it. You might get your counter a little messy.
Could you add anything else?
If you don't think your color is good, you have to poke a hole and then put the food coloring in, fold it up so it doesn't get on your hands.
But I mean, if it's super sticky, what would I add more of? Do you think?
I think a little bit of shaving cream.
Not more contact solution?
Probably.
Maybe.
Or shaving cream.
Do you know what I read? I read that baby oil?
Lotion makes it really stretchy. We have lotion right there.
Yeah, like hand lotion, you can do it.
Mhm.
But you're just keeping playing with it, and eventually it's not going to be sticky to your hands, right?
It's kind of getting better.
Oh yeah, there you go. Well, that jumped out of the way.
Now, if there's still more in your bowl, like
Oh.
I do,
Can I come feel it?
yeah. That's my mom.
Yes. You
She
squeeze it. Oh.
she has a YouTube channel too.
Woohoo. Still a little sticky for
Yeah.
me. What would you add? Let's add a little bit.
Yeah.
Ah, there we go. There, now it's not sticky at all. Oh, then you're gonna add more sticky stuff. Woohoo! The perfect fluffy slime made by Sophia. You're definitely gonna do this
Yeah.
while you're stuck at home with nothing to do, right? Be careful though, don't get it on your clothes, right? Sometimes we wear a paint shirt
Yeah.
or your parents' furniture, carpet.
I'm smacking. Stretchy, gooey stuff. Don't forget to stay nice to each other and make sure to subscribe down below to my channel. Bye!